You know what? My eyes jolted open right before that happened. Sorry it took me half a damn alert to actually start recording this, but darn.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Geauga, Lake, and Trumbull. This is NOAA Weather Radio KEC 58.
My lingo doesn't fucking work. But now I made my 261 work, so it'll actually activate now for the first time on footage. And the Vector will also be debuting today. And maybe my BC370 CRS will come before Canada tests. Which I don't even know if VFI will, but I'm getting a few other stations, so I think we'll be okay. Put it right up here. We show. I think we'll be okay. Alright. Ouch! I think we'll be okay, I say, then proceeding to fall on my ass. Or my back, rather. Here we go. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, yes, daddy! Oh, yes, daddy-o!
On the latest weather map.
There goes XON! There goes XMJ! RMT XMJ! Come on, you idiot. Fucking. Alright, 4 down, 2 to go. 5 of 6. There goes the